Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can do the freeze frame edit in CapCut with just a few simple clicks. So in here, I've already imported a video to my CapCut. So what you need to do is click on the video and go to Style. And after that, just go to Video Effects. And in here you can just select between the two freeze frame effects. So I'm going to select the second one and just wait until the effects is generating. Just wait until the process is finished. Okay, so now it's done and the result will go like this. So this is the freeze frame edit. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.